Hello everyone, welcome to Parametric Planet. In this video, I would like to show you how we can connect two Revit models with one Grasshopper file. For this example, I have created two Revit models. This is the model 1 and this is the model 2. So I would like to create the grids first in model 1, and then I will do the same in model 2, and then I will create the floor system in my model 1 and the column system in model 2 using the same Grasshopper file. So the first step to interact with multiple Revit models is to create multiple adapters. So I have created this adapter 1 for model 1, and then I have created another adapter for model 2. Now the second step is to connect these two adapters. As I told you in my previous video, that we have to use this update port to connect with the Grasshopper file. So in this model, I have this push port and the pull port. These are the default ones, but you can also choose a new value here. So for model 1, I have used the default values. So if we see here, in Revit settings, we have connection settings, and then further in connection settings, we have push and pull port. So these push and pull port value should be the same as in Revit. So as you can see that in here, I have 14128 and 14129. So I set the same values here in Grasshopper, 14128, 14129. And similarly, for model 2, I have created the new values. So if we see here in model 2, the push port is 15128 and the pull port is 15129. And similarly in model 2 adapter, we have the same one. So these values should be the same in Revit as well as in Grasshopper. So if you want to connect third Revit model, you can do the same, but you have to choose a different values here. And now I will show you how we can push the grids, the levels in this model 1. So I have already created the script. I will just connect this one. This is already connected. And now I will just push the grids in model 1. So as you can see that we have grids in model 1, and there is no grids or the levels in model 2. So I will do it for model 2 now. I will connect this one, and now I will push the grids in model 2. So now you can see that we have the grids in model 2. So now in model 1, I will push the floor elements. I have created a separate push so that I don't have to push the levels again. Otherwise, it will give us the warnings and the errors that these levels are already existing. So that's why it's better to create a new push for each element. So now I will push the floors. So you can see that we have floor only in model 1. And for model 2, I will just push the columns. And now we have columns in this model 2. So that's how you can connect different Revit models with your Grasshopper file. With this multiple connection settings, actually you can also check the differences between your model. So in the next video, I will create same models, and in the second model, I will do some modifications. Maybe I will remove some columns, I will change the thickness of the slabs in this model, and then using the same workflow, we will connect these two models, and then I will show you how we can check the differences between these two models. So we can detect which elements have been changed, which elements have been removed, which elements are still the same or they are unchanged, or which parameters have been changed, even the locations also. So in the next video, I will show you that one. That's all for this video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.